Welcome guys. I'll be teaching you how to use MT5 now. So this is MT5 application. I'm an MT5 application. I believe by now every one of you have downloaded yours. If you have not downloaded it, go to your Apple Store or your Play Store and download MT5 application. So once you download the MT5 application, it's going to bring you here straight. You will see this dashboard. Once you sign in, this is what it's going to give you, and it's going to have this a demo account that I'm using in doing this video. So it's going to bring you here. So how to use an MT5. Firstly, let me start from the quotes. We have the quotes. If you look down, we have the quotes, we have the charts, we have the trade, we have the history, and we have what the settings. That is your menu, but they are all below. So also we have search, in case you want to search for any currency that is not here, maybe USD New Zealand or USD CAD or any currency that's not here, or JPY against any other currency. Then once you see the currency you want to trade, you can see we have Forex Major, Forex Minor, Forex Micro. So once you see the one you want to trade, you just click that green cross sign. Once you click the green cross sign, it has been added. Then you click cancel. Then you come below, that's Euro JPY. So that's how to add a currency pair, in case you want to add a currency pair to your quotes on MetaTraders. So if you want to enter a trade in, maybe you want to trade a currency pair, all you need to do is just what okay, before I teach you that, let me show you how to maybe remove a currency pair in case you don't want it again. You just click look at the top left corner, you see something that looks like a pencil. Then you click it, then you check the one you don't want again, maybe USDC card for example, and all this. Then after that, look at the top right corner, you will see the delete button that look like recycle bin. Then you click on it, then it has been deleted. So for you to go back to the normal code, you click on that same pencil, so it will bring you back to the code. So that's that on how to remove currency pair from your quotes. So now if you want to trade, all you need to do is what is to click on that currency pair you want to trade. You see now it's the menu. We have trade, chart, details, statistics. If you don't want it, you cancel it, you come to another currency pair, any currency pair you want to trade, just click on it and it's going to bring this. So for example, if you just want to enter this trade, there's only, maybe you don't want to go to the charts, you click on trade, so it's going to bring you here. Then you see your sell market and buy market. If you want to sell, you click sell. If you want to buy, you click buy. If you want to set your stop loss, you click stop loss. Your take profit, you fill your take profit there. Then your lot size, you fill your lot size here. Then do you want to enter the market instantly? You enter market execution, that's instantly. Then you have buy limit, you have your sell limit, your buy stop, your sell stop, your buy stop limit, and your sell stop limit. So everything, that's where you found them. So but let me go back to the quotes. But if you don't want that, if you want to go directly to the chart, all you need is to click on the currency. Then the next on the list is chart. Just click on the chart, then it's going to take you to the chart. As you can see, this is your chart, so it's going to take you to your chart. So that's how to go to the chart. So let me go back now. So again, if you want to check the details of that currency pair, you click on the details. It's going to bring out all the details. The sector of Euro USD is under currency, the industry is undefined, digits 5, the contract size, that's the maximum lot size, that is 100,000, that is the standard unit. The margin currency is euro, the profit currency, that's when you take your profit, is USD. Then you check all those things, then that's where you see everything that is happening. That's the detail on that currency pair. So also, if you want to check the statistics, you check the statistics. This is the bid price, this is the bid high, that's the highest bidding price. This is the bid low, this is the ask high, that is the people selling open price, and there's the close price. So all these things you might not really need them. I'm just sharing it. The two things you will need is the trade and the chart. But in case you want to further and check some details, you can go to details, can check the statistics of the market. And if you don't want, maybe mistakenly press on the currency pair, all you need to do is just to cancel it. Exactly. Or you just click on your screen. So that's that on the quotes. Let me move now to the chart. So now if you come to the chart, because we've already clicked on Euro USD before, that's why this chart is on Euro USD. So it's the last currency pair that you open that is going to be on the chart. So quickly, let me explain everything that is on the chart. So on your right hand side, that's the price that's the price level. That means the current price at which US dollar is, because we are trading euros against US dollar. So euro is the base currency, while US dollar is what is the quote currency. So the quote currency is always at the right hand side. So that's why you are seeing it. So that's $1.15 and like that, and you can see it's ascending, and also if you are coming down, it's descending. All right, so we have our time frame. So we'll just come to the left corner. You see where they wrote M15. Yeah, where they wrote M15, that's the time frame. If you want to change the time frame, just come here. So you can see we have different time frame. We have 1 minute time frame, we have 5 minutes, we have 15 minutes. You can change it to 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 day, 1 week, and also lastly you can change it to 1 month. As anyone you want, you can change it to it. So that's how to change our time frame. So also if you look down below it, we have what you call Euro USD. So if you want to change this currency pair without going to the quotes, just click on it. You can see these are all the currency pairs that are on your quote. So anyone you want to change it to, you click on it and it's going to load it and bring it up. All right, Jakes, the network is not really good. All right, let's move on. Let's go back to Euro USD. So that's how to do that. So you can see after that, you can see this sign that look like plus. Yeah, this is the one you use to check the current price. Maybe you want to set your stop loss. You can see as I'm moving it, there's a number that is following it on the right hand side. So this is where you check. Maybe you want to set your stop loss or your take profit, or you want to check the current price level. Anything you want to do is for checking the price level. So that's that for that cross. And also if you check after that cross, we have something that look like F. Though it's not F, but we have something that look like F. So when you click it, these are all the indicators you have. So if you want to add any indicator, you click on the main window, then all the indicators you want, all of them are showing here. So you can see any indicators you want to pick, you just click on it and it will take you there, and then you set it, then you click done. Then as you can see, the indicator I choose is here now. That is OSMA. That's it. So as you can see, it is there. And if you want to remove it, maybe you don't want it again, all you need is just click on the line, on the horizontal line, then click on the X, then it will remove it. Then when you are done, just tap on your screen again, and that's it, it's done. So the next one that follow is those signs. You can see them symbols. They are the symbols you can use to trade. Then if you click on symbols, you can use any of these symbols to analyze your market. We have this one that look like box. You can use it to check your support or resistance. Then we have the trending arrow. You can use it to check the trend of the market. So also we have the horizontal line. You can use it like this. Then we have Fibonacci. But if you don't want all this, just click on add object. Then it's going to bring you here, and you can add any object that you want. Once you just click it, it's going to add up. It's going to show here. Then you do your thing. You can see that's a triangle. So if you are done with all these things and you want to remove it, just hold that shape, just hold it down. Then a button, a display will come up. Once the display come up, just click on delete. All right, so you click on the next one, click on delete. You can see it's canceling. Click on delete. Then the last one, you click on delete. So that's how to use that. And also when you get there, because you're using Meta 5, this is how it's going to show. You see this, you can use, when you click this, you can use it to set your buy limit, your buy stop. You can see it. You can use it to set your stop loss. You can use it to tell your take profit. Instead of disturbing yourself, just set it like this. Then you place your buy limit. Then you continue with it. And if you don't want it again, there's no need. Just click cancel. And if you want to enter the market instantly, you can see the next icon after it. Just click on it. You can see sell. You can see buy. You can change your lot size. You can increase it. And you can double click on the O, come and set the lot size you want. Then after doing that, you just press either buy or sell. So that's that on the chart. And on the trade, so this is where your account is, your balance is here, your equity, your free margin. So if you open a trade, this is where it's going to show. So for imagine, let me just come here and just show you something. All right, so let me just buy this market. So once I buy this market, you can see it's already showing here that my order is being executed, has been executed. So any order that you place is going to be executed here, and you can see that it is reading. All right, so if you want to stop, maybe you want to set your take profit, you just click on this. Once you click on this, it's going to bring this. Then you see modify position. Then you click on modify position. Then you see stop loss. You set your stop loss. Take profit. You set your take profit. Once you are done, you click on modify, and that's that on about that. All right. So next we have history. So histories are all the trades you have made in the past. So you have the history. So that you can see, these are the trades I've made in the past. But note, I told you it's my demo account. I just use it to backtest my strategies and check it. So all the trades you made in the past is going to be here. That's the position. Your order, whether it's filled or is still currently on. So it's filled. You can see the last one I placed is filled, and I've not cancelled it. So that's everything will be here. Then we have deals. All the deals that you've made is going to be here. So that's just the benefit of MT5. I believe you are getting what I'm saying, and you are getting value from it. So that's just the benefit of MT5. You can see all those things. And lastly, I will take you to settings. So we look at settings. So when you get to settings, we have this is where you add different accounts that you have. You can add the different accounts that you have. If you want to create a new account, maybe you register with a new broker, just come here, enter the broker's name, maybe for example Derive. Once you enter Derive name, it's going to be here. Just click on it, then it's going to bring you here. So the login details that the broker gives you, you put it here. Then you also put the password. Then the server they give you, you just click it and come and choose the server. And that's that about our account. So you have account monitoring. You can monitor your account. It's going to redirect you. you have your main box, you have news. In case you want to check the news in the market, you can see MetaTrader also give news. We have trade day, that's economic calendar. You have chat and message, like you can send message and they can send message to you. You have trade community. If you want to make secure your MT5, you can put a one-time password generator. You can put it. You can change your language to any language you want. The charts, you can change your chart. For example, you can change it to bar chart, candle. So if I change it to line and I go back to my chart, you can see now that it's in line. So if you want to change it to line, you can also do that. So if you don't want line again, you can change it back to bar chart. If you come, it's in bar chart. And if you don't want bar chart, you can just change it back to candlesticks. So anything you don't want in the market, you can remove them from here. And also the color that you want, you can see these are the colors. So my bar down, that's red, that's my red candle. So I can change the color to any color I like. For example, maybe I change it to this color, saved. So let